Hello everyone, my name is Happy Black Legends and welcome to another Vlogoween video. So for today's video, I thought it would be really fun to dig through my closet and try to come up with different costume combinations. I wanted to do this to inspire you guys that just to remind you that you don't have to go out and buy costumes. You can probably dig through your closet and slap something together. And today's video is actually going to be a collab with my dear friend Chloe. Her channel will be linked down below. But anyways, enough gollylagging. Was that a word? I don't fucking know. Let's just get started. First of all, I'm not wearing a bra because ever since quarantine has started, I have been thoroughly anti-bra, so my chest looks weird the entire video. I do apologize. Anyways, y'all, for this first category of costumes, I am doing sort of an e-girl Disneyland tourist costume. Right here, I'm giving you waiting in line at the Indiana Jones coaster. For each of these looks, I try to give you guys like variations and different options for each costume look. So my shirt actually has characters from The Lion King on it, and then this look on the right, I got my face mask. Y'all, I'm in California and they have handled COVID so poorly, and in mid-July, Disney was supposed to open and I was really against it. Disney had a measles outbreak like in 2015 and my school had to like shut down because all of us had Disney passes. Like I live in this like rich, not super rich, but kind of rich, like white area. So everyone had a Disney pass and they had to shut down. So anyways, just wearing a face mask casually at the Disneyland park. I love this Pooh Corner place. I don't know if y'all have ever been, but my shirt has Welcome to Tatooine on it. And then I have my little Winnie the Pooh backpack. I got this at a thrift store actually, and it wasn't supposed to be like Winnie the Pooh necessarily. So if you're not a bag person, slap on a fanny pack. That is what I'm doing. And I wanted to talk about my Mickey ears for a hot second because I fucking love these bad boys. I got these at Tomorrowland like back in 2018. Anyone who had a pass was into that. I was trying to show you guys my tights that I also put on to sort of bring the whole e-girl thing together, but as you can see, a bitch almost fell, so. Bugs Life Fantasy. I actually hate bugs, but anyways, this is like sort of a bee butterfly costume. I don't fucking know. The green screen action here is terrible. I learned quickly while I was editing that afros and green screens are hard, so I just want to show you guys what the look looked like, you know, in a normal setting. I had this beautiful light up headband and then these wings are light up. This is the second look. I'm wearing the same dress that I was wearing earlier, and then I put on this little shirt that I got that from Target and I love that shirt. It's not yellow, but I just had to have it. I got this butterfly head thing at Target, or no, not Target, Walgreens actually. I am a huge fan of Walgreens. Like, I'm obsessed with Walgreens. Walgreens and Target, like, own this ass. And yeah, so this is just my little butterfly bee moment. So when I first started my descent into yellow, a lot of things that were only available were like Minion clothes. So I own, for no reason, an absurd amount of Minion like shit. Some of it I can't fit anymore. Like I have these Minion shorts that just fall off on me. I have to tie a rubber band when I wear them. But yeah, I have this little Minion beanie and this Minion t-shirt. I have no idea where I got either one of these. They were probably hella cheap. These overalls I got really early on in my yellow journey also. I know this effect is super weird, but I don't know why when I was editing it just made me laugh, so I kept it. These didn't fit me even when I was like 100 pounds heavier because I'm really short. I just wanted to show you guys these boots because I thought that these boots would be really good in the look. And here's me falling over. This year, I just really wanted to buy a yellow witch hat, so I got this commissioned from Etsy. Whenever I wear this in a video, I always link the artist down below. But yeah, I got this dress from Target. It's hella like crinkly, wrinkly, dinkly. Y'all, I was filming this at like midnight. I was so tired. You know when you're up studying and you're exhausted and you start to feel sick, but you cannot go to bed, you have to finish it that night. This was me filming this video, and then the next day I woke up feeling sick as fuck. So listen to your body is the lesson in that. This is sort of a second witch look. I was trying to go for like disheveled, sort of like modern badass witch. Y'all, I got those earrings from back when I used to work at a sex store. I used to sell toys, lingerie. I would definitely do it again. It was so much fun. Highly recommend if you are able to do that. Again, I was trying not to sneeze. I make the ugliest faces when I try not to sneeze. It's literally disgusting. Like, what am I doing? What am I doing with my face? A bitch was sick. You feel me? A bitch was sick and tired. Ew. So fucking gross. And so I thought if I took off the jacket, took off the witch hat, and replaced it with a different kind of hat, I have a whole new funky dunky cowgirl cowboy costume. You feel me? And this is the next category that I decided to go for. I got that cowgirl hat at Party City like years ago. Years ago. Girl, where do you think you're going? Y'all, I can play cards, okay? I was just cards, chords. I know how to play the guitar. What did I just fucking say? I was just so sick and tired. So here's me trying to show y'all that I can do some chords. This is the next look. Definitely serving you more like wench kind of realness. Like, you know, what is that? Like Platoon? Splatoon? What the hell is that thing called? I don't remember. But that's what I'm giving you here. I was sweaty. I was tired. Just moving, shucking, and jiving. So I wanted to give you more flamboyant cowboy, like, what's that dude? Tiger King, more like, I don't know. I just wanted to give you kind of a different vibe. Again, I know that my closet is kind of ridiculous, and I know that I love fashion, and I have a history of costume design, so I love playing dress up. But I really do feel like if everyone just dug deep in their closet, y'all would be able to find something that you could whip together. And then I want to show you guys my motherfucking cowgirl boots. I fucking love these things. I've worn these to numerous concerts, and I've worn these in a few different videos as well. So my thought was take off the hat, and all of a sudden I am serving you Cheetah Girl realness. Period. So this is super fun. Technically, I think actually I'm wearing leopard print. I also have these pants in tiger print as well. Yeah, I really love this outfit. I think it is so much fun. Fun fact, I stole that vest from my high school theater, and I got that crop top from Forever 21 maybe. But I love like fashion, and I love layers, and I just love like mixing and shifting costumes and things like that. I just think it's so much fun. And so this is the next look, excuse me. I have a little beret, and then I got my dress, and then I thought it'd be fun to put on a little tutu. I think for Disney, I'm showing a little too much skin, so I should have probably kept on the turtleneck. But really, there's a lot of different combinations that I could have done. Here's me sneezing again. Yes, queen, yes. Blow that damn nose. So gross. I'm so sorry, y'all. I was just so sick, and I really didn't have enough footage to throw this out. So overall, though, I hope you guys had fun. I hope this inspires you. Please be sure to check out my girl Chloe's channel, link down below in the description. I hope you guys are having a wonderful Vlogoween and Halloween, and I will see y'all in the next one. Alrighty, guys, bye.